Have you ever heard about the engulfing crack strategy? If not, I'm going to explain to you how to trade this open strategy that you can trade at the open, where you can make the most use of momentum, showcasing Andrew's trade on TQQQ from 25th of September. First of all, where did the term the engulfing crack come from, or what exactly is the engulfing crack strategy? The engulfing crack strategy consists of two candles. It could either be used using the 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 2 minute chart, 30-minute chart. It doesn't really matter. You choose the time frame that you feel more comfortable with. It's more famous using the 1 or the 5-minute chart. The first candle should be a bearish candle, and the second candle is a bullish candle, and hence comes the engulfing part. The first candle is a bearish candle, second candle is a bullish candle that fully engulfs the first candle. In this case, it's a bullish engulfing candle, and the moment you break the open range or the first candle range, you get the crack part or the break, and this is why it's called the engulfing crack strategy. Obviously, it could be a bullish engulfing crack if the first candle was bearish, the second candle is bullish, and it breaks the open range, the first candle. And it could be a bearish engulfing crack if the first candle was bullish, the second candle fully engulfs the first candle and breaks the low of the opening range candle. Let's make it more clear and go to trading terminal replay feature to show you exactly how Andrew traded this and to make the strategy even easier to use. So there it is, TQ from 25th of September. You can see that this is the opening range candle. This is the high of the 5-minute candle, and this is the low of the 5-minute candle. The 1-minute chart in this case doesn't matter a lot. You could see that the first minute opened bullish, we sold off all the way down, the 5-minute candle closes, pretty much a choppy price action. We want to stay safe and we want to play either maybe a 5-minute opening range breakdown. If we break the low of the 5-minute candle, we can play the bullish engulfing crack if, for example, this second 5-minute candle goes all the way to the high of the previous 5-minute candle, meaning that it fully engulfs it, and the moment it breaks the high, which is 35.40, we start going to the long side. This is basically the way we execute this strategy, and this is why it's called the bullish engulfing crack strategy. Bullish candle engulfed the bearish candle and broke above it. Now you could see that we made a small pullback, which is basically an ABCD pattern on the 1-minute chart. We went from the low all the way to the high. We made a small pullback, we held VWAP, and now we're breaking to the upside and we are going to the long side. The level up here, 35.64, is the previous day close, and we can actually use this previous day close as a target. We can start taking our partials closer to the previous day close, or if you are patient enough, you could hold on to it all the way to the previous day close. Since the pattern is really strong, there is a clear range between 35.50 and 35 approximately, and this range was just broken, so you could expect that there would be some momentum that could get the price to go higher. Even though there are so many resistance levels like Andrew explained, the momentum drive could be strong. So that's basically it, and that is the bullish engulfing crack setup. What exactly do you need to see when you're playing this setup? 1. You need the first candle to open either bullish or bearish, depending on the market sentiment. Then you need the second candle to fully engulf it. Once you're getting the fully engulfing part, you wait for the third step, which is the break of the opening range candle. The moment that happens, you can start loading into your position and then managing the trade depending on the level. It's more powerful if the bullish engulfing crack or the bearish engulfing crack coincides with a break of a range that was held in the pre-market, similar to what we saw in TQQQ. There was a range that was held in the pre-market on the 5-minute chart, and at the open, the bullish engulfing crack broke not only the open range candle, but it also broke the high of the pre-market range, which guaranteed us getting more momentum that could help us get into the previous day close target. Remember that whenever you are playing this strategy, you need to make sure that you can get at least a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Your comments are always appreciated, and if you have any feedback or any suggestions for the future, don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video.